start the video. It was a cloudy day since morning, but I went to school. But when I was returning back to home, it starts drizzling. Within minutes, the drizzling turned into heavy showers. I took shelter in a shop. When I look around, I saw children dancing and jumping in the rain with joy. One boy was trying to float a little paper boat in water. After about half an hour, the rain stopped, and I set off to back home. What would you name this story? I would name it A Rainy Day. Please comment what you will name this story. Bye. Meet you soon. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.